One species here is at the heart of the forest life cycle. A beech tree, over 200 years old, soaring 130 feet into the canopy. The hardwood of its trunk is the perfect spot for a black woodpecker to bore out a nest and raise her young. High enough to stay out of harm's way from opportunist hunters. She feeds them with wood beetle larvae caught in the surrounding canopy. On the tips of the tree's branches, hundreds of beech nuts are ripening. They're packed with calories, and in the autumn will be a highly prized food for many animals in the forest, including the sounders of wild boar that raise their families on the forest floor below. But the bounty produced by the beech trees varies dramatically each year, depending on how warm the weather is. When the nuts ripen in autumn, will be a time of feast or famine, impacting the lives of the animals that live here.